healthy is boring.
Healthy is not boring.
Oops.
Never boring.
So tell me, love at first sight?
No, my husband hates this question. It's not even love. When we got married, it was an arranged marriage, believe it or not. And he hates to acknowledge that. He thinks he wooed me, which actually he did, but we met through families. And then he wooed me.
So anyone to blame for? Anyone to thank for?
Thank my mom, thank his mom, because I don't know of many people who had an arranged marriage and they're really, really happy. And I think, that wo purane zamano mein jo bolte
Back to the arranged marriage question.
I told you he hates it. He just hates it.
That's not true. Okay, listen. Let's get this right. First, yes, we met through family. However, I was working in South Africa. I went back, and then I heard that, okay, she may not be interested. I come back after 4 months and 1 week. That's it. 1 week, and I proposed and she said yes. Is that arranged or is that love? I don't know. I'll leave that question to you.
That's always his winning line. But, well, we met through families, right? Otherwise, you wouldn't have known of my existence.
That's not true. I saw you at Whirlpool ad. The Whirlpool ad, the Whirlpool mother, that smile, that's what got me first. So, from your side, possibly arranged. My side, okay. I love this girl's smile.
Oh.
What was the world before you met him? What was the world like?
The world was under the shadow of my brothers and my mom. So I did a lot of work. I was, doing lots of ads and lots of stuff. But there was always that, overpowering thing where...
I'm getting a coffee mate.
Yeah, that's the only thing you know. But you do know that you have to put the cup first. See? He can even barely make the coffee. Okay, now, yeah, that I have put in for you.
Oh, thank you.
But I didn't put the cup, so he was going to now just have the coffee without the cup.
What was the world like before you met Amrita?
Unhealthy food, no. Okay. World was different. For me, I really became healthy after marriage. After Amrita started cooking.
Now, one second. Forget the healthy. We didn't even know when the salt is less or the sugar is too much. We have no palate. So when I came into the family and I suddenly realized that the chini kam hai ya namak kam hai, and I would tell him and he'd go, you're right. And then I would add that little dash of salt, and that's when he could tell the difference. So it was that bad, okay? So I really did change his world of food at least.
That is true. I cannot deny that. Can I just get a bite of this?
Okay, I'm getting it. Just let me show them how I did it for you. He's just so not...
It looks damn good.
It looks good, doesn't it? So these are my healthy brownies, which soon probably will be up for sale. And they have no sugar and no maida. And I have prepared them for my darling husband, who's just going to grab. He and my son are just the same. They have no appreciation of beauty. See how does it look? Stunning, right?
Really pretty.
Now you may have a bite. Or the whole thing.
So what was the food you had on a first date?
First date.
Gaylords. You took me to Gaylords, and guess what? He hardly ate. And I love food, right? So I was eating, and this man was hardly eating, and I was like, oh my God, he's going to starve me. I'm going to die of hunger.
So what was it like? Nervous?
No, God's given me a lot of confidence.
Yeah, that's true. I can vouch for it.
Fat, bald, whatever it is, but confidence I always had.
And flirty?
For sure, could be potentially flirty,
but not in a sleazy way. Like he was a very good boy. I think in my first date, the first thing that struck me about him is that he was a genuine guy, and he just put me at ease, except for the fact that he hardly ate. But I was very comfortable with him.
So, which is your favorite food?
Which is my favorite food. Every food that I can turn into healthy food is my favorite food, and that's exactly what I'm doing. That I'm creating for my husband with my homemade granola, and it's going to be turning into a beautiful parfait.
Rahul, what about yours?
Japanese, but again, if I go to Japan, on the 7th day, I'll be wanting to eat Indian food.
Okay, tell me, Rahul, what's your pet peeve about Amrita?
My pet peeve. So, okay, the first earlier days, what used to really annoy me was, like, I'm very punctual, born in a Fauji family, Indian Navy. So I was really punctual, so that her not being punctual would annoy me, but she's really changed. She's...
Okay, let me tell you this story.
No,
I have to tell you this story. So we are at our honeymoon.
Can I go for then.
Yes, go for it. Please go for it.
Thank you.
We go for our honeymoon. We went for the Nile cruise. And I would like to dress up and change and come. And he would start firing me for being late. There are other couples waiting for us and stuff like that. And I actually cried like, what is wrong with you? We're on a honeymoon. Why the hell do I have to be on time for, simple things like a dinner at the cruise? So that was our first fight.
What's your pet peeve about Rahul? I can see there are many.
Yeah, there are many. There are many.
True.
He just grabs food. He's not delicate about food, and I, being a chef, and I want things, decorated and garnished well, and he won't appreciate those little things. He just wants to go for it. He doesn't like candlelight dinners, and I am a die-hard romantic, and that's one thing he's not. He wants just jao, अच्छे से खाओ, और फिर party karo.
So what do you lean on each other for?
Everything that I need advice for, I go to him. He comes and talks to my team. The very fact that he has, zero knowledge about food as such, but he has such good marketing knowledge and such good business sense that, he's really helped me. So that's why once in a while I call him here, and he actually helps me not just to experiment my food, but to help me in my career. So it's...
So does diet and fitness play a role in the relationship?
Yes.
Every morning.
Every morning we work out together.
We wake up in the morning at 5:30, do our prayers together. We drop a child to the bus stop at 7.
Smile.
And then we are off to Bombay Gym, and we work out together. And then I go for my shower, and she goes for her day. So then we part ways, and then we meet again in the evening.
So what's your pet admonishment to Rahul?
I'm quite easy. We're not so hard on each other.
What happened to that? आज रात को बताऊंगी.
That's the fake Sardarni in her.
The fake Sardarni, if you
Fake
please.
Sardarni in her. She will threaten. ये कर दूंगी, and I'll do this, and I'll show him, and then the biggest pussycat after that.
No, but what my trump card is actually? I now remember. My trump card is my mother-in-law. If I really want to threaten him, I'm like, I'm gonna get Mama involved in this, and then this Mama's boy just.
I on national television state that I'm a Mama's boy.
Give me a sip of coffee, please.
So does jealousy have a place in the relationship?
What do we have jealous of? I mean, we don't even have a reason to be jealous of.
Yeah, because she's cleaned up the state so well. Like, all my ex-girlfriends are not my friends. Earlier, before that, I was really a good guy. Like, all my exes were my friends. After marriage, slowly, first year, second year, third year.
He's talking so much rubbish.
I have no friends who are girls, so I'm not going to be jealous.
No, but all his girlfriends have become my best friends now. So, I mean, I don't know what you call that. I'm just being a smart cookie. A healthy smart
But there's no jealousy.
So what will it be? Flowers or dish on a romantic date?
Dish. With flowers on the side.
See? There, no romance. So I'm going to make the dish, but he's not going to get me the flowers. I've had to beg him for flowers because he knows I love flowers, but
I said dish with flowers. Like,
yeah, right. Yeah, right.
It's
Ask him when is our anniversary. I bet you he doesn't know.
When's the anniversary?
6th of July.
Ooh.
Born on 4th of July was a great movie.
That's the way he remembers you.
So, love is?
Love is beautiful.
Love is even more beautiful.